you weren't watching it.
It's fun. Okay, it's not fun.
Give him his hat. Here.
We're gonna make our way to a boogie boardwalk.
Get in my hat.
I'm gonna kill him if he doesn't shut up.
Look, it's here. It's here.
Why did I make you take on my head? It's not nice.
Okay, here.
Where's my hat?
It's right here. I have it. Cut it. Okay. Let me restart it for you.
Stop it!
I'm gonna No, come on, stop being such a little child. Stop screaming every second.
Where's his hat?
Before I break someone's neck at the middle of the night.
How am I gonna get it back? Stop it! Now I gotta get it back to the beginning. No!
Are you sure you're videotaping this? She knows when to turn it off.
She knows why. Stop it.
Jordy, you do it. Jordy, you do it.
Oh, nice. Kimani, look. Stop it! I'm sorry.
Shoot him with the Nerf gun! Get the Nerf gun! Get the Nerf gun!
Justin, quiet. You're supposed to be filming him, not the freaking Nerf. Here, stop it.
Oh my god, it's too funny. It's way too
I'm getting
Guys, move. Seriously. Move.
No, he won't.
Dominic, seriously.
They're blocking the Wii!
So we goes.
Here, Jonathan, stop overreacting. You're making it look fake.
Here, Kimani.
Felicia.
Okay, people talk too much in this video anyway, so I mean,
This is the one
we
we
can't post it.
This baby's crazy!
He's not mad anymore.
That really hurts.
Okay, give him both things. Let's try this again.
Put that stuff on his shirt. That would be funny.
Oh yeah, let me get it.
Put it right there when he's looking at it. Alright, wait.
can't
Let me get a
watch
different
it.
angle.
Kids getting the
You
spatula.
can't watch it, no.
Don't do that, me.
Yeah.
Don't put makeup on you.
Oh!
You got
Look at your shirt! Come on!
You put makeup on you.
Oh my gosh.
It's wet. So, you little baby. Stop it.
I think that's enough. It was
Okay,
enough.
that's enough.